Hey guys, welcome back and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to share with you this super easy skull inspired Halloween makeup tutorial, and this is totally like last minute Halloween makeup and it is really easy to create. So before starting, if you are new here, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. For that, go to your YouTube app, press that red subscribe button, also press the bell icon next to it so that you get notification whenever you upload a new video, and it is absolutely free. So yeah, I'm starting with my primer. For that, I'm using my Maybelline Blur Plus Smooth Primer, and I'm just priming my face. For foundation, I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate foundation in the shade F10. Yes, honey, I got a new shade F10, and I think it's a perfect match. And I'm just buffing it in using my damp beauty sponge. And it's been raining. I do not have any natural light, so it's going to look a bit odd. So please excuse that. And I'm taking this elf chemo concealer in the shade medium sand, and I'm just applying it on my eyelid as well as underneath my eyes. This is like way too light for my skin tone, but I'm going to use a powder later to balance this whitey concealer situation, so do not worry. I'm taking this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Powder, and I am just setting my under eyes as well as my total eye area. For my eyes, first I'm taking this particular shade from my Makeup Revolution Reloaded Visionary palette, and I'm just applying it as my transition color. Now there's a reason why I decided to go with a purple look. I am going to reveal that shortly. I'm taking this particular shade from the palette. It is a like dark violet kind of a color, and I'm just applying it on my outer V area as well as on my crease to give my eyes a little bit of depth and dimension. I'm taking this shimmery purple color from the palette, and I'm just applying it all over on my eyelid. Taking this Milani Hypnotic Lights eye topper in the shade Cosmic Meadow, and I'm just applying it all over on my eyelid to give my eyes a little bit of glam. Now I'm just coating my lashes with my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm going to wear falsies anyway later, and I'm just styling my eyes using this Maybelline Colossal Kajal in black. Eye makeup is pretty much complete. I'm taking the same Maybelline Kajal, and I'm just drawing the border of the hollow or of the skull, and it's really hard to explain. You can see what I'm doing, and this is the nose part here. It is really easy, you can see. Now I'm just drawing the border of that skull. I don't know how to explain it. You can totally see what I'm doing here. I'm just shading the border of that black kajal with some black eyeshadow, and I'm kind of creating a hollow kind of effect. Now I'm just drawing the teeth with my with a black eyeshadow and my eyebrow brush, and I'm just kind of drawing the teeth. It's really easy and simple, and it's kind of slanted line. You can see it's not straight line. I'm taking this Wet n Wild paint pot, and when I first got it, I thought it's white, but no, it's not white. It has a purple hue in it, and it's pretty purple, so I decided to go with a purple eye look. Now you can understand. And I'm just like filling up my teeth, those fake teeth. It's really easy and simple, as you guys can see. Just take your time and just fill in those teeth. I know it's not perfect, but we all are learning. Now I'm just drawing the front part of my teeth, and it's kind of dented. You can see it's not a flat line. It's kind of dented, and I wanted to give them a like more like a lively appearance. That's why I painted them that way.
Perfect.
Now taking the same paint pot, I'm just filling up the skull part. I mean the hollows are like that black eyeshadow part. It's the hollow of the cheeks, and this is the skull or the bone part. Taking some black eyeshadow, I'm just shading the areas between my teeth because to create that hollow kind of effect. Now with a black eyeshadow, I'm just filling up the hollow even more. And I'm also filling up my nose area with the same black eyeshadow. Now taking the same paint pot, I'm just filling up the jawline. And now taking a silver liquid glitter eyeliner, I'm just applying it on the sides of my teeth to give it more like a funky kind of a look. And I'm just applying it on the borders of my teeth. And now taking some black eyeshadow, I'm just shading the borders of that skull even more.
Perfect.
Now taking the same dark violet eyeshadow that I applied on my outer V, I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line. Also, I am applying it on the sides of my forehead to give it like more like a frowning, angry kind of a effect. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in this shade Sunset Bronze, I'm just heavily bronzing up my forehead to give it some shade and to like give it more like shady dark brown kind of appearance. I'm just highlighting my cheekbones using my Precious Petals highlighter from Wet n Wild. Now I'm just applying the same glitter eyeliner and I'm just smudging it out with my finger to give it again more like funky kind of a look. And I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. And that's it for the makeup part, and here's the final look. You saw how easy was that, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. So see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.